Get ready for a wild and wacky adventure as Motu and Patlu's science experiment takes an unexpected turn in Motu Patlu's science experiment gone wrong. The story begins with Motu and Patlu's insatiable curiosity, leading them to Dr. Jatka's lab. Inspired by the scientist's latest invention, they decide to conduct their own scientific experiment. Motu, ever the food lover, hopes to create a magical dish that will satisfy his never-ending appetite. Motu and Patlu mix ingredients, measure potions, and stir concoctions, all while Dr. Jatka observes with a mix of excitement and caution. However, a small mishap occurs, and the experiment goes awry. A series of zany reactions takes place, and the lab transforms into a whimsical and chaotic playground. The lab equipment comes to life, sending beakers and test tubes soaring through the air. Colours explode, creating a kaleidoscope of vibrant hues. Unpredictable reactions cause objects to grow in size or shrink to miniature proportions. Motu's insatiable hunger becomes even more pronounced As chaos ensues, Motu and Patlu find themselves on a hilarious and unpredictable journey. They navigate through a maze of giant bubbles, evade mischievous robots, and encounter strange and quirky creatures that have sprung to life due to the experiment gone wrong. Dr. Jatka, with his scientific expertise, joins forces with Gasitaram and their friends to help Motu and Patlu regain control of the situation. Together, they devise creative solutions to the unforeseen challenges that arise. With teamwork and ingenuity, they bring order back to the lab while Get ready for a laughter-filled adventure that proves that even when things go wrong, there's always room for fun, friendship, and scientific exploration. It's time for a madcap journey with Motu Patlu's science experiment gone wrong. As Motu, Patlu, and their friends scramble to restore order in the lab, they come up with a plan to reverse the effects of the experiment. Dr. Jatka analyzes the situation and concocts an antidote that could potentially restore everything back to normal. With hope in their hearts and determination in their actions, the team sets out on a mission to gather the necessary ingredients for the antidote. They embark on an adventurous quest, encountering challenges and obstacles at every turn. From navigating treacherous paths to outsmarting mischievous creatures, their journey becomes a test of their resilience and problem-solving skills. Motu's unstoppable appetite proves to be both a blessing and a curse once again. His ability to devour enormous quantities of food comes in handy as he tackles obstacles that require superhuman strength. As the team gathers the final ingredient for the antidote, they return to the lab with a renewed sense of hope. Dr. Jatka carefully prepares and administers the antidote, and the lab begins to gradually return to its normal state. The chaos subsides, and Motu's voracious appetite is brought under. Through this adventure, Motu, Patlu, and their friends learn important lessons about responsibility, the power of teamwork, and the consequences of their actions. They discover that scientific experimentation requires caution and careful consideration, and that even mistakes can lead to valuable discoveries. Motu Patlu's science experiment gone wrong is an entertaining YouTube video that combines science, humor, and valuable life lessons. It encourages children to explore the wonders of science while emphasizing the importance of responsible experimentation and the joy of learning from both successes. Join Motu, Patlu, Dr. Jatka, and their friends as they navigate through the aftermath of their experiment, learn from their mistakes, and restore order to the lab. Get ready for a laughter-filled educational adventure that showcases the power of science and the resilience of friendship. As the antidote takes effect, the lab returns to its normal state, and Motu's insatiable appetite is finally under control. The team breathes a sigh of relief, but they realize that the adventure has taught them valuable lessons that they will carry with them forever. Motu and Patlu apologize to Dr. Jatka for the mishap and express their gratitude for his guidance and expertise. Dr. Jatka, understanding the nature of scientific exploration, forgives them and emphasizes the importance of learning from mistakes. To celebrate their newfound wisdom, Motu, Patlu, and their friends decide to organize a science fair in Furfurinagar. They invite students from all over to showcase their scientific experiments and discoveries. The fair becomes a vibrant display of creativity and innovation as children present their Motu and Patlu, inspired by their own misadventure, set up a booth to share the valuable lessons they learned. They demonstrate the importance of safety, precision, and responsible experimentation, capturing the attention and